Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming network basics. Make sure the router broadcasts 4 GHz and uses WPA2 or WPA3. This improves device discovery and stability. Next, charge the Wipro hub and your phone above 50% so pairing won't drop. Once done, install the Wipro Next app and enable Bluetooth and location permissions. The app scans QR codes and serials faster with them on. Now position the hub near the router and the first device within 2-3 meters, so the initial handshake completes without interference. You'll add the hub to your Wipro account first. This gives cloud sync and remote access, and you should enable two-step verification for security. Once the hub appears in the app, add devices one by one, put each device into pairing mode, and watch the LED pattern or app prompt. This prevents duplicate entries. After devices are paired, organize them into rooms and zones so automations target the right hardware. Then create basic scenes, like arrival or bedtime, so you can test triggers and timing before you expand functionality. You finish by testing every scene and verifying voice assistant links. Make sure firmware updates are enabled on hub and devices so you get stability and patches automatically. Then lock down the network, change default SSID and password, and enable device isolation if you want to limit lateral access. If something fails, don't immediately factory reset. Instead, check the app logs, confirm the hub firmware and device LED status, and reboot the hub and router first. Only reset the device if those steps don't resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.